Yeah, ganda. Wala bang price? Hindi, tanong mo ah. Kung magkano, tanong natin ito. Kukuha ka isa? Maganda ito sa maleta, manipis. Manipis lang. Miss, how much? How much?
Well, I have a list of those.
No pressure.
Will you scan that? Tell me how much it is.
No price.
Thank you. Would you like your receipt in the bag? $7.34.
734. Thank you very much. All right. Me, 734. Are you okay with that? $7.34. $7.34. You gonna want to buy? Kumuha ka. Apat o ano? Mamili ka.
Gagawin ko yan, lagay ko to sa frame.
Ang ganda. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay.